In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious Cheeseball Bites appetizer recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1½ cup of mozzarella cheese, 1½ cups of cheddar cheese, 1 cup of cream cheese, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of bacon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, 2 green onions diced, and pretzel sticks. In a bowl, we're going to start by combining the cream cheese, sour cream, salt, pepper, and paprika. Mix until evenly combined. Add in half of the bacon bits. And also half of the green onions. Continue mixing. Add in the cheddar cheese, and the mozzarella cheese and mix until completely combined. In a bowl, add in the remaining bacon bits and green onions and mix until they're combined. With damp hands, we're going to create balls out of the cheese mixture. Coat the outside of the balls with the bacon and green onion mixture. Once coated, place them onto a platter. Place a pretzel stick into each of the cheese balls. Our cheeseball appetizer recipe is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.